Hey guys, welcome to Cards and Collectibles. Picked up a few boxes at the local Walmart, Topps Chrome Platinum anniversary with the 1953 design. I don't know how popular those are, but I really like them. Like the design, I like the vintage look. And then I also found, the first two I found of these at the Walmart was these 2023 Topps Chrome monster boxes that have 2 packs, I believe, of 5 cards of the X-Fractors parallel. So let's start with the platinum, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I really like these. Tough as hell to open. But look forward to opening up the Topps Chrome too. I had not seen those monster boxes in the stores just yet. So let's see what we get here, guys. Jeff McNeil. Ooh, it looks like we got a gold already. First pack. Chris Taylor. How about that? Tom Seaver. This looks like a yellow lava. Numbered to 250. That's a good looking card. Oops, we got Richie Ashburn and Phil Rizzuto, Prism. Very cool. That's a good start. And I do like the Platinum Anniversary with some of the throwbacks in there. The retired Hall of Famers and stuff. Carlos Rodon. And remember, these are 2022, even though they were released in 2023. Otherwise, he'd already have a Yankees uniform. Lorenzo Cain, Goose Gossage, and Fernando Tatis. I wouldn't be surprised to see him in the MVP conversation next year if he could stay healthy. And these also will include rookies of Julio Rodriguez, Bobby Witt Jr., there's a Dansby Swanson, Ricky Henderson, Yasmin Grandal, O'Neal Cruz should be in this as well. Oh, there's one. How about that? Spencer Strider. Riley Adams. Griffin Jacks. Reed Detmer. That's pretty impressive. How about that? 1 pack. 4 rookies. Very cool. I just like this product. We got a Royce Lewis. Gabriel Arias, Monteros, Billy Martin, and Casey Mize Prism. A lot of rookies. That's always nice to have. George Brett, Ernie Banks, and how about that? Willie Stargell Pops. This is Aqua. This is number 2. I believe 299. And Pete Alonso. So really cool. We already got 2 numbered cards. And a few prisms. I haven't looked for the refractors just yet. But we got Tony Gwynn. Oh, here we go. Is this a refractor? Sure is. How about that? O'Neal Cruz rookie refractor. I'll take that. David Peralta, and Larry Doby. So I do love this product. I know it might not be one of the most popular ones, but it's cool. Love that. Look at that. Harold Baines in the Sox uniform. Bernie Williams, Jake Berger, Dick Allen, and we got a blue Prisma. Vidal Brujan, rookie. So, you know, for the cost, probably I'm pretty happy with that break. Let's see if we just kind of got lucky or is it more the same. But again, we got a few numbered cards. Oh. And there's prisms. No autos, but still pretty solid. See what we get in this second box, and then we'll get to the big guys, the Topps Chrome Monsters. Tony Oliva. How about that? Andrew Jones. Is that numbered? That is to 199. Very cool. Sally Perez. And then look at that. Another blue prism. That one is not numbered, but we got Connor Siebold. Very good. Great way to start. I bought the ones last year with the 52 design, chasing those mantles. I didn't get one, but love this. Look at this. Raleigh Fingers. Steve Carlton. Alex Verdugo. And Marcus Simeon. The Verdugo, that's a refractor. The refractor can be found right under in the center, just under the red border at the top. But no huge rookies. I'd like to get the Julio or the Witt. Marcus Stroman, Zach Pop, Adrian Beltre. Future Hall of Famer there. This pack seems a little thick. Let's see what we pull here. Jose Gray. Reitz. Jose Ramirez. Oh, we got another yellow numbered. I don't know if it's gold. Jorge Soler and... Jesse Winker. Wrong Mariner. And I can't even tell. I don't know. Is this the yellow prism? Not bad, but I would have loved that to have been the Julio. All right. Tim Anderson, Gene Segura, Ricky Henderson, Garrett Cole. Chavis, Nick Plummer, Alonzo Rivas, Earl Weaver. Big fan of the 3-run home run. But I do like this. Oh, there's the White Rat. My favorite team. This guy is fantastic. Mike Yastrzemski. And, another number. This one is that numbered to 50? It is. 45 of 50. What a nice pull there. Look at that beautiful Ken Griffey Jr. card. That gold border matches the gold S on the Seattle Mariners hat. Oh, that's fantastic. Nice pull. And the last pack, keep getting hits like this. I'm going to buy up what I can next time I see it. Phil Rizzuto, Derek Lee, George Springer, and how about that, a Bob Gibson prism. Very cool. Very happy with those packs. So, I hope we have just as much as luck with the monsters as we did with the Platinum Anniversary. Let's see. I'm going to save the, just kind of like I did with the Bowman Mega Boxes. We'll save the 2 exclusive packs to open last. If that's how they do it. Honestly, I don't even know how they do that. If they mix them up. No. They all look the same, so maybe 2, 4, 6. I can't tell. They must be all spread out through the pack, so let's see what we get. Austin Riley, Marte. Would love to get a Corbin Carroll or Gunnar Henderson. X-Fractor, who's that? Luis Arias. And who's our first X-Fractor? Nothing too impressive. It is a rookie. These are a little pricey though. I remember they used to be a lot more reasonable. I think these were like 60, 65. Trey Turner, Luis Castillo, Eloy Jimenez, and our next X. Oh, how about that hit? Fantastic. Corbin Carroll X-Fractor. And it looks to be maybe a 60-40 on the centering. But very nice card. Happy with that. Take that for sure. That's awesome. But with only 7 packs, they're going to have to double up on some of these X-Fractors. So, let's see. J.J. Bleday, Mackenzie Gore. Who is this? Alec Thomas. Okay, and then we got 2 X-Fractors here. Royce Lewis. So those are okay. The Corbin Carroll's the big hit. I think anything else now is going to be gravy, but maybe we can hit another big one, or I don't know if they include autos in these or not, but let's see. Hunter Green, Josh Bell, Luis Robert, Alexis Diaz, J.P. Crawford, and how about that? Ronald Acuna Jr. That could be really good for the buyback if he's able to win MVP this year. I don't know what, I'd have to check. I don't know how much that's worth, but that's one of the top cards I think that they would buy back. Probably get enough pay for the box itself. Brendan Crawford, Charlie Blackmon, Yadier Molina, a 1988 Casas. What do we got here? Here we go. Here's, what do we got? Nothing great. 2 more packs, I'm going to guess now how about that? I peeked once I saw that Yankees. I was hoping maybe for a Judge or something, but it looks like we might have an Anthony Volpe rookie X-Fractor, which is going to be awesome, coupled with the Corbin Carroll. Tyler Freeman. Bo Naylor. Oh my God, look at this. Back-to-back X-Fractors, Jordan Walker and Anthony Volpe. What great hits. And top this, we're putting these 2 with the Corbin Carroll. That's a pretty solid box, and we still got a pack to go. But how about that? Hitting some at probably, 2 or 3 of the top 5 rookies. Or that's guys you're going to want to try to pull when you're breaking your boxes. But Corbin Carroll, Jordan Walker, and Anthony Volpe. The only one we're missing is maybe Gunnar Henderson. That's the one that comes off to mind right away. Chaz Chisholm, Chris Sale, and then we got 2 here. What do we got here? Reese Hoskins and Brett Batty. Another great X-Fractor. These are, that box was fantastic. A+. Let's see. Again, that's the first box I've opened of the monsters of the 2023 Chrome. They were the first time I saw them on the shelf. I found 2 at the local Walmart. And let's open these 7. Last 7. If I've been real happy with the 3 breaks so far, so let's keep it going. I'm going to try not to peek on these, but it can't get much better than that last box. Stevenson, Javier Baez, O'Neill, and we got 2 X-Fractors right here. We got a Kristen Yelich and Michael Grove. Not exactly what we were hoping for, but maybe it can only get better, right? And I'm going to try to hide that last one, that X-Fractor. Marcus Semien, Encarnacion, Paulie Goldschmidt. And look at that, another rookie. Senga. Mets pitcher. I think was a little bit of a disappointment as well, but so was the entire Mets season. So, we'll see what happens here. We got Eaton, Guzman. I saw red, I got excited. Marcus Stroman, but I think it's just one of those future star cards. Mookie Betts. Yeah, George Kirby future stars, that's fine. And the X-Fractor goes to, yeah, not terrible. But I'd love to get that Gunner. And we got Alec Bohm, Bogarts, Gabriel Marino, Alexis Diaz, and we get 2 X-Fractors here. And neither of them are really any good. I probably should have left this this box on the shelf. This kind of been shit, but that other one, I wish that would have been the last one we opened. This is kind of anticlimactic. Bryce Harper, Ryan Mountcastle, Benintendi, Vargas, and Guzman. Yeah, the X-Fractors in this box not been nearly as good, and I haven't had any, like, even really good base card hits. So, let's see, Nelson. Oh, we got a color, I think. Got some kind of color here. And, oh, it's a Verlander, it looks like. Number to 199, but no longer on the Mets. And the 2 X-Fractors, Mike Yastrzemski and Marcus Stroman. A bunch of duds in this box. I hate to end the video this way. The last one, Walsh, Willie Adames, Fernando Tatis Jr. Hey, there we go, a Jordan Walker. Take that. And an Alec Bohm X-Fractor. So definitely not as good as the first box, but definitely could do better. But happy overall. I did like the 2 2022 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary Blasters, and then the first Topps Chrome Monster Box with the X-Fractors was a crazy hit. So thrilled with that one. I just wished our last box we would have followed up with some big hits as well. We came up a little short, but appreciate you watching, guys. Till next time, happy collecting.